My name is Potter Bear. During the day, I sit perfectly still. Just another amazing Pottery World decoration blending in. But at night, that's when the fun really begins. I get the whole store to myself. Ornaments that twinkle, lights that glow, and candy canes tucked into every corner. Even the snowmen look like they're having a jolly good time. And the trees, they shine so bright, the Grinch can't help but smile. Oh, how I do love Christmas time at Pottery World. Hey, when you stop by, make sure to snap a selfie with me. I promise not to move or blink or bite. Let's keep this between us, okay? Merry Christmas.
Kick off your holiday season this Saturday and Sunday at the Pottery World Christmas Open House event in Rockland. We'll have live music, a tasty drink bar, hot cider, and Santa will be here signing his latest book in person. Enjoy the festive atmosphere and save 20% off store-wide at Pottery World this weekend.